thing. Pretty cool beaches, huh? You know what that is out there? See that in the water out there? I'll zoom in. Is that what that is? Past the brakes. There's surfers out there in the water. Paddling around, waiting to catch a wave. Those big waves, we got the fishermen down here underneath us. And of course we got the seagulls flying around. That's all cool too. Makes you want to go jump in the water, doesn't it? There you go. I like to fly around like that. Woo. See you, buddy. Seagulls say bye too.